always posted, man. You already know we come back real soon. I'm right to step back for me to come back. Keep on going, shit, motherfucker. You know how I rock it.
You already know, hey, man, you gotta make it studio, man.
My motherfucking niggas. They're my motherfucking niggas. Motherfucking niggas. I'm getting linked off the potion. My little bitch got me open. Been in corners, no swerving. I might be high, but I'm focused. Trying to check me a meal, low key without getting noticed. Cause once the bitches start talking, you gotta worry about vultures. Pussy niggas and rollers. Play the game, no controller. So I think like a king, but I still ride with my soldiers. Hit the kitchen, cook overs. Trying to whip up a Rover. I just shaved off a quarter, then recompressed it, no soda. Still deep in the streets. If you get money, you know us. Southside where I be, ain't hard to find, just look forward. Stay in the hood with the scores. 30 shots in the tours. Rest in peace, lil' boo. And all my niggas before. And I'ma slide with my motherfucking niggas. Might catch a homicide with my motherfucking niggas. If it's his, then it's mine. And my motherfucking niggas never leave my bro behind. And my motherfucking niggas, my motherfucking niggas. My motherfucking niggas. They're my motherfucking niggas. My motherfucking niggas. They're my motherfuckers. I'm in the hood with my niggas. I fuck with robbers and killers. Heavyweight distributors. All the shooters fuck with us. South side of my city. Bitches say we the realest. All I know is get money, catch cases, and we appeal them. I ain't beefing no records. We got problems, we kill them. I'm on the block with the poles and my get rich ass niggas. Ain't got a front cause we own. Avoiding snitch ass niggas. Just wait till Ebo get home. I'ma flip me a million. Just got a coupe with no ceilings. Thought say I ain't got no feelings. I'm in love with the money. Ain't got much time for the women. All I think about is winning. Scrooge McDuck catch the swimming. I ain't chasing no dreams. I'm out here living my visions. And I'ma slide with my motherfucking niggas. Might catch a homicide with my motherfucking niggas. If it's his, then it's mine. And my motherfucking niggas never leave my bro behind. And my motherfucking niggas, my motherfucking niggas. My motherfucking niggas. They're my motherfucking niggas. My motherfucking niggas. They're my motherfuckers.